So here we've brought some Cat 5 cables down to go into this GigaClear to extend the internet upstairs. It was a bit of a rush when I put them in, so yeah, they ain't labelled. I've got to start filling that green cable bin up again, and they do take Cat 5 cable. And then get this out, just to score these around the edge. You can't do it with one hand, but you know what I mean? And with this, they've got like this little separating bit in the middle. Pull it out a bit and then chop it, because then it will shrink back in. Wiggle a little terminal in between, and give it a pull. Oh. There we go, so it comes out nice and straight. You want a straight edge to be able to put into the plastic connector, so just chop the ends off so they'll poke in a lot easier. I follow suit what's on my Klein tools to the RJ45 wiring T568B. Plug it in there and hey presto. So my plan now is to plug this in to find out what cable that one is with this. So then basically when I get near it, it will give us a signal. So, what we want, what one's here then? Nope, 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 nope. Hey. Nope, oh. That one is it. And it will show me on there. So now what I need to do is make this end off and then test it. And then once I've got it made off, plug it into the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic, we're sending it out. And then we go to look at the other end. What we're saying? 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. No word of a lie. That was first time. So with tools that you can work with, it just makes your life easier, because I have got another load to do up here, another load to do up here, and to find out which is which here. So using this from Klein, it's gonna save me ages.